Selling covered calls on Questrade is a strategy where you own the underlying stock and sell call options to generate income. Here's how to do it. Log into Questrade. Access your account via Questrade's website or mobile app and log in. Verify stock ownership. Ensure you own the stock you wish to write calls against. Covered calls require that you hold the underlying stock in your account. Access Questrade Edge. Use Questrade Edge, the advanced trading platform for executing options trades. Navigate to the Options section. Go to the Options tab and select the stock for which you want to sell calls. Choose the covered call option. Find the options chain for your stock. Look for call options with different strike prices and expiration dates. Select the call option to sell. Choose a call option to sell based on your strategy. Click on the option and select Sell. Enter order details. Specify the number of contracts, set the order type, and review the details. Review and submit. Double-check your order details to ensure accuracy. Click Submit to place the order. Monitor your position. Check your covered call position and be prepared to act if the stock price approaches or exceeds the strike price.